Oh, this is rough, man. My gimbal's not wanting to work, DJI. That firmware did not help my gimbal. It's not working at all. All right, guys, it has been a busy day on the phone. Lots of lost dogs today. We've got several calls on the books. The first one we are going to is outside of Canton, Mississippi. And apparently two pity mix kind of dogs got out, ran across the street into some pasture land, some fields. One of them came back, but the older one hasn't. And so the good thing is it's only been about 3 hours, so that means that they can still be close by, which is what I love to hear. I'm hoping that we can get over there and get in the air and find the older dog within a mile of the house. And so fingers crossed, guys. Lots of dogs missing from the storms that came through Jackson area last night. Well, I tell you what, that thunder and lightning was cracking, and my 5 dogs were absolutely going nuts. So with the ones that have gotten out, you can imagine being outdoors, they would absolutely not enjoy that. So lots of prayers today, guys. We need some help to try to find these dogs. We are hitting the road as we speak. Be up in the air in 20.
Hello?
Hey, Lars, Jason.
Hi.
And so they saw your other dog at that location?
Yeah, but there's several of those locations coming up on maps, and they took a picture of Cooper on their porch. But it might be, if it just kind of put the drone that way, you could start up at the 43 Club, I guess, and hit the drone that way towards Yandell.
Yeah, I mean, if your dog is that much older, I don't know that he would have made it that far. But
right.
But
he could have rested. He could have been laying down in between there and here.
But there,
because he followed the other dog.
That is a long way from your location.
Okay, I'm trying to find the exact location where Cooper's picture was taken, because it is Cooper in the picture.
Okay.
And he's back now, so
yeah,
it's got to be in between here and there somehow.
Because here's my question: is that, you know, there's Cotton Blossom Road up the street from Yandell Road, and there's that church and all that around there. And so if we draw a straight line from where this location is to your house, there's a lot of territory in between that.
Yeah.
A lot. I just don't think, seeing that it's 5 o'clock and they got out at what time?
Around probably 2:30, maybe 2.
I just don't see your older dog making it that far.
I don't either.
And so what I'm almost thinking is that,
oh, looks like a dog laying down right there behind that car. It is a dog laying down right there behind that car.
I should come up to either Cotton Blossom Road and then flying south from there if I draw a straight line. Because you know, at some point they would have been together and then they would have separated. Yes. So if I'm drawing a straight line from your location to there and they cross 43 going that direction, then that's kind of my gut. But of course I'm here to do what you recommend, because we basically throw a dart at 360 degrees and that's where cue ball could be. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
And so what I try to do is just, you know, when I'm getting all these details, is try to narrow down, you know, between age and restrictions and have they been fixed and all that, to see how far that they can go. Because I mean, some GSPs that we try to find, they're 5 miles away within the first day. And so, but since you're telling me that your dog is stove up somewhat, I just don't see him making it that far like he did. Because you got to realize your other dog made it there and made it back.
Right.
That's pretty amazing.
Right. And so that's why I don't understand. I can't see that being that right location where I saw on my maps.
Oh, there's a dog. Black dog. Not him, unfortunately. Here.
Yeah, I was kind of basing it on which way Cooper, came from. That's all I could do. Because I know they crossed into the pasture across from me, across from the 43 club. But I was on foot and I didn't see which way they went.
Same thing in that neighborhood.
My truck. And then
I did see some dogs up the road. 2 Great Danes and a smaller dog.
The 43 Cub, is that one's called Pop Saloon?
Yeah.
Okay, so they went straight across from there.
Yes. Yes.
And were they like running or just trotting or what?
Oh,
No, it
yeah,
doesn't
they
look
were
like a
running
kitty
at first
mix.
because they were running from
There's
me. Then I
my
was
boys from
calling and they
Gluckstadt Fire
kept going.
Department.
So they were taking off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, that is
That
nothing
looked
but
like it was
woods
moving.
all
It is
there.
moving.
Oh, I know. In pasture, it's like pasture I say, but it's like
I
a
just needed it to be a
fields
dog and not
across.
deer.
The problem we have at this location is it's so remote and it's covered with woods and lots of woods. And apparently Cue Ball is older and he doesn't get around as well as he used to. And so, man, I'm hoping we can find him.
Hello.
Laura, I think I've got him. Hang on.
Okay.
Hang on. Hang on. I think I've got him.
Okay.
He's actually walking to me.
Okay. Has he got an orange collar on?
Hang on. Has he got a bobtail?
No.
No, this doesn't have a bobtail. Nope. It's an older looking. This has got to be him. He's walking down the field to me.
Has he got an orange collar on?
I think so.
Oh, please God, let him be Cue Ball. He's buff colored.
He's buff colored, definitely short snout. Oh, he's got a gray face. That's him, baby. Yeah, that's him. That is him.
Jason, you'll see my number and his name on his collar.
Cue Ball! Come here, Cue Ball! He's hearing me. He hears me. Cue Ball! He's out front from me. Come here, Cue Ball! Come here, buddy! Come on, Cue Ball! Come on, buddy! He's running down the field to me. Hang on.
Thank God.
Let's see if he'll come to me.
Where are you?
I'm off Yundale Road, right off of 43.
Oh, you're on where?
Off Cotton Place Road. Cue Ball, come here, baby. Hey, come here. I see you. Come here, baby. Hey, Cue Ball, come here. Come here, baby.
I'm coming towards you. Want me to
Come on. He's coming to me out the truck.
Okay, he'll get in your truck.
He's coming to me. He's walking up to the truck right now. Cue Ball, what's up, baby? Hey!
Oh my God, thank you so much.
Where have you been? I got it, girl. Yeah! I love it.
Okay, I do too. Thank you so much.
Come on, I'm here. Give me a Cue Ball. Give me a baby.
Okay, I'm coming towards you.
All right. Give me a Cue Ball. Give me a baby. Where have you been? Where have you been? Hey!
Oh my God.
Love it! Look what I got, guys. Look at this. There's Cue Ball, guys. Look at Cue Ball. Hey, pumpkin! Look at this. Isn't he pretty? I'm so glad I found you. Yes, I am. I'm so glad I found you. Where have you been? Are you tired? I think that's Mama coming. I think that's Mama. Come here. Come on. Come on. I think that's Mama.
Oh my God, my baby.
I love it.
Where is he? He was lost, wasn't he? He was lost.
Was he?
I guess so. Because it's supper time, and I know this would love to eat. Baby, what? And I'll follow you.
I love it. Give me a hug. I love it.
That is my baby. Thank you.
More than welcome. I love having you.
I am too Jason. He's gone. It's called my tree. My baby. And I love him so much.
I'm glad we got him home,
I am too,
Pumpkin. I am
Jason.
so
Thank you
glad
so
for y'all.
much. Thank you
That
so
just
much.
means the world to me.
Oh, well, you're an angel. God sends you down here just for this reason.